What if I told you we had built a secret mini bike that nobody is supposed to know about? A one-off project, hand-built, customized by one of our own. That's what you're about to see in this video. The testing and tuning of our one-off custom creation that has one major flaw.
So this is archive footage. Yeah, this is one for the personal files. It's what, Halloween today. Worked all weekend building a new bike here. So show you guys for the first time. You guys ready?
I've never seen this, so just came in. School drop off.
Stick plug on there.
Oh yeah, ready. As you probably said, I'm gonna build a mini bike probably 48 times in the past 3 days.
I rebuilt a whole entire frame this weekend, welded it, machined it. First pull.
Doesn't want to turn.
We got that in 4K.
Look how she definitely got deep down into the pegs. But if a guy was like